In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Calendar on Apple Watch. We'll make sure your Google events show up on your wrist and that your watch mirrors the alerts you already rely on. To start, open Google Calendar on the web or in the app and quickly glance at your upcoming week. This simple check confirms you're in the right Google account and that your events are there to sync. If you use multiple Google accounts, note which one holds your main schedule so you add the correct one in the next steps. Now, on the iPhone paired with your Apple Watch, open the Settings app. Scroll until you find Calendar, then tap it. Inside Calendar, choose Accounts. This is where your iPhone manages calendar sources that your watch can mirror. If you already see your Google account listed, you're a step ahead. If not, we'll add it now. Tap Add Account, select Google, and sign in with your Google account. Follow any prompts you see, including verification codes if you use two-factor authentication. When asked what to sync, make sure Calendars is enabled for this Google account. This toggle is essential. Without it, your events won't appear. After confirming that Calendars is on, tap Done. Your iPhone will begin syncing with Google in the background. Next, we'll confirm that your watch mirrors those calendars and their alerts. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, scroll to Calendar, and tap it. Make sure it's set to mirror your iPhone. With mirroring on, your watch shows the same events and notifications as the Calendar app on your phone. If you prefer tighter control, you can use custom settings here, but mirroring is the quickest way to ensure everything matches. Give the sync a moment. Large calendars or new accounts can take a bit to populate. After a minute or two, raise your wrist and open Calendar on the watch to see today's schedule. If you still don't see events, return to Settings on your iPhone, open Calendar, tap Accounts, select your Google account, and confirm Calendars is still toggled on. A quick off and on of that switch can nudge a fresh sync. Also ensure your iPhone has an internet connection, since the watch relies on the phone to bring in Google data. That's it. You've connected your Google Calendar to your Apple Watch, verified syncing, and set your watch to mirror iPhone alerts. Now your meetings, reminders, and schedule changes follow you wherever you go, right on your wrist.